Hello everyone, this video will help you understand 3 ways of combining columns in a table. You can as well say combining strings, arguments to form one string. Now I now pull a new query, and at this point I'll specify, and before that is code to indicate the key area we are going to learn. In this case we're going to do it called concatenating, or use the concat. So the first way of doing that is by use of a plus operator to combine the columns or the strings. So here I'm going to select the table. So the table name, I'm going to use person. This way I'm going to pull my data from this table, this schema. So to be more precise, I'm going to combine the first name and the last name. So how do we go about that? Combining the first and the last name. So the first way of doing that is by use of plus operator. So I'm going to use first name plus last name. So that's by use of the plus or sign plus operator. Then we run and we execute. So that's the output we are getting from that formula. So as you can see here, we have the plus good. So this is the output we're getting from that expression. From this output we can now see that there is a problem in this new column where there is no space between the first and the last name. There is no space between said and a bus. So we need a space in between. So to get a space, you want to use concat. So I'm going to use concat all the space, and I close the bracket. Comma here. This another comma there. This one is an expression that can be used to combine the two columns. So when I execute once again, now the said and a bus, there's a space in between the two names, so the first and the last name. There's a space in between. So at this point, it is clear now that Concat gives better results or gives desired output, unlike the plus operator. The other way of combining the first and the last name is by use of concat underscore with separator. Concat with separator. So this concat with separator is a function name that is used to concatenate strings by using the separator. So here I'm going to write concat underscore ws single quotation comma another single quotation. So I'm going to combine the last name with the first and the last. Okay, first and the last name. I close the bracket. Then I close first name. Written correctly. Perfect. So I now run execute. So the output here, if we use concat with ws, let me remove this comma, then the output